All right, these are all done. Took them out of the oven and now it's time to give them a try. All right, I'm gonna start by taking my leftover pasta, get that just on a pan like that. I'm gonna take my little skewers and I'm just gonna take the pasta and just slide it like that, all the way down. Perfect. And we're just gonna do this with about 3 of them, or 4 actually. I'm gonna take my little mushroom guy right here. I'm just gonna slide him all the way down, right about there. And we're gonna do again 4 little pastas, and take another little mushroom guy right about there, and then again with the pasta. Okay, that looks so cute. Okay, I'm gonna just redo this with all of this pasta. All right, those looking super good. I'm gonna take some mozzarella cheese and we're gonna sprinkle this on where the noodles are. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little bit of marinara sauce. I'm just gonna drip this onto the pasta. All right, that's perfect. Now I'm gonna take some pepperonis and just place that right on top of that pasta and that cheese. All right, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit more cheese on top. All right, now I'm just gonna put this in the oven for about 10 minutes to make sure everything is melted really nicely. All right, these are all done. Took them out of the oven and now it's time to give them a try. Get this mushroom. This is so good. And it's super quick and easy.